The VEKOOTO VK7-1 Backup Camera impresses with its magnetic mount, allowing for effortless attachment without tools or wiring, making installation a breeze. Its integrated spherical antenna ensures a stable and strong signal with superior interference resistance, maintaining reliable communication between the camera and monitor. Featuring a vivid 7-inch touchscreen with high-definition resolution, the monitor not only provides clear images, but also supports easy navigation and loop recording for continuous video capture. The camera automatically syncs with the monitor for seamless operation, powering down when not in use to conserve energy, and offering customizable auto sleep settings. Equipped with a robust 15,000 milliampere-hour battery and efficient solar charging, the camera promises extended use and reliable performance with minimal manual charging. With an IP69 waterproof rating and infrared night vision, the camera is built to withstand harsh weather and deliver clear visibility even in complete darkness.